Psalm, chapter 6, verses 2 to 11. Prayer in distress. Do not reprove me in your anger, Lord, nor punish me in your wrath. Have pity on me, Lord, for I am weak. Heal me, Lord, for my bones are trembling. In utter terror is my soul, and you, Lord, how long? Turn, Lord, save my life. In your mercy, rescue me. For who, among the dead, remembers you? Who praise you, in Sheol? I am wearied, with sighing, all night long, tears drenched my bed. My couch is soaked in weeping. My eyes are dimmed with sorrow, worn out, because of all my foes. Away from me, all who do evil. The Lord has heard my weeping. The Lord has heard my prayer. The Lord takes up my plea. My foes will be terrified, and disgraced. All will fall back in sudden shame.